So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the safest seat on any airplane. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the web browser you have, and here you have to search for Seat Guru, and you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here, all you need to do is to just simply click on this option of Seat Map and write the airline name that you want to travel and check the things. Now here, for example, if I go to Emirates and it will ask you for your flight number, just simply write the flight number that you want to check in. For example, if I write 501 and hit find, now it will tell me the flight route and the flight number. Now just simply click on this option of view map, and once you click over there, here you can see a seat map which shows you the safest seats, and here you can see the safest seats as well as the seats that are not really safe, that are not really comfortable for you. The red ones are not really comfortable for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.